Hello, my name is Jerome Zeidenstricker, and I'm a product manager for linear encoders at NUMERIK Jena. Today, I would like to introduce you to the LIKselect from our LIK series. Every application is unique, which is why we paid close attention to flexibility within the application when designing this product. Thanks to its modular design, you have the option of configuring the product to match your requirements, whether through its flex cable length, electronics, or frame. The entire system electronics are housed in this tiny scanning head, measuring just 8 by 16 millimeters. You have a choice between an 11-volt peak-to-peak interface or digitally interpolated signals at a resolution of up to 78 nanometers. With its two-field scanning technology, the sensor design is highly immune to contamination. Integration into your application is made easier thanks to wide mounting tolerances. As with the LIK Go, you can choose between a robust stainless steel measuring standard and a glass scale, available in widths ranging from 3.8 to 8 millimeters. Now, you might be thinking that this product is intriguing, but is it right for your own unique application? Integrating this tiny scanning head into your application lets you achieve even deeper integration. You can choose between different cable lengths, electronics, and frames. Bring us your challenge, and we'll find the solution.